you got, Zuri? What you got there? What is it? Are you taking the stuffing out? Why are we taking the stuffing out? Yeah, we gag on stuffing. We really shouldn't be eating stuffing. Hey! Sorry, Rafiki. Oh, good one! You just tore it in half! You're a nut! You're being a total nut. Zuri. Hey, buddy. Nut. You're a nut.